Welcome to day 19 of Beginner Yoga Challenge. Today we will practice another type of sun salutation. They are often called classical sun salutation or Hatha Sun Salutation. Let's begin standing with feet together on the top of the mat. Press down through your feet, lengthening through the crown of your head, standing nice and tall. Relax your shoulders away from the ears. Relax your face. Breathe deeply in and out through your nose. Big inhale. Slow exhale. Bring your palms together in front of your chest. Inhale, lift your arms, lift your chest, lean back for standing back bend. Take another big inhale here, lifting your chest higher. Exhale, bend forward, placing fingertips to the mat. Knees can stay bent, upper body relaxed. Standing forward bend. Inhale, step your right foot back, lowering down the knee. Lift your chest, push your hips down. Runner's lunge or low lunge pose. You should feel a stretch on your hips in this position. Take another inhale here. Pulling your chest and hips forward. Exhale, step your left foot back into plank position. Hold here for another inhale. With exhale, drop your knees down. Lower your chest and chin to the ground, keeping your hips high. Your elbows stay close to your chest, pointing back. This pose is called Surya Namaskara. With your next inhale, pull your chest forward, pressing through your hands, lift your upper body for Cobra pose. Shoulders stay down, away from the ears. Elbows bend close to your body. Take another inhale here. Lift your chest higher. Exhale, lower down your forehead. Tuck your toes in. Press through your hands to lift your hips high. Downward facing dog. The spine stays long. Knees can be bent if needed. Heels don't have to touch the floor. In downward facing dog, feet are hip distance apart. Sometimes in this classical sun salutation you might hear the cue to keep your feet together. This is just another variation. The rest of the body stays the same. So try it out for yourself and see what feels better for you, to keep your feet together or hip distance apart. With your next inhale, step your right foot forward, bending your right knee over the ankle, lower down your left heel, pull your chest forward, pressing the hips down. One more big inhale here. Exhale, step your left foot forward, coming into standing forward bend. Inhale to come up to standing. Reach your arms up, standing back bend. Exhale, palms together in front of your chest. This was half sun salutation. Now we will do the other side. Inhale, lift your chest, back bend. Exhale, forward bend. Legs straight or slightly bent. Inhale, step your left foot back, lowering down the knee. Pull your chest forward, low lunge. You can keep your back toes stuck or untuck in this position. It's easier to keep your toes stuck because you will transition next to plank position. Inhale in low lunge. Exhale, plank, and lower down your knees, chest, chin on the same breath. Inhale, pull your chest forward, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take one extra breath here. Inhale, step your left foot forward, lower down your right knee. If this transition is difficult, try lowering down the other knee first and then stepping your foot forward. This is just another way to transition into low lunge. Let's take one more inhale here. Exhale, step forward, standing forward bend. Inhale, reach your arms up, lift your chest. Exhale, release your arms down. This was one full round of Hatha Sun Salutation. Now we will try to move a little faster. Palms together in front of your heart. Inhale, lift your chest, lean back. Exhale, bend forward, fingertips to the ground. Inhale, step your right foot back, drop the knee, lift your chest. Exhale, step into plank, lower down your knees, chest and chin. Inhale, lift your chest, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, step your right foot forward, lower down the left knee. Exhale, step your back foot forward, forward bend. Inhale, lift your chest, back bend. Exhale, hands to your heart. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, left foot steps back, lower down the knee. Exhale, plank, knees, chest, chin down. Inhale, lift your chest, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, step your left foot forward, lower down your right knee. Exhale, full forward bend. Inhale, standing back bend. Exhale, release your arms to the sides. Palms together in front of your heart. Inhale, back bend. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, right foot back, low lunge. Exhale, lower down knees, chest, chin. Inhale, shift forward, lift your chest, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right foot steps forward. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, lift your chest, back bend. Exhale, palms to your heart. Other side, inhale. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, left foot steps back. Exhale, lower down knees, chest, chin. Inhale, lift your chest higher, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left foot steps forward. Exhale, standing forward bend. Inhale, back bend. Exhale, release your arms. One last round. Hands to your heart. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, step your right foot back. See if you can keep your knee lifted this time. Exhale, lower down, knees, chest, chin. Inhale, press through your hands, lift your chest higher. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right foot steps forward. Maybe keep your back knee lifted. Exhale, standing forward bend. Inhale, back bend. Exhale, hands to your heart. Inhale, standing back bend. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, left foot steps back. Try to keep your knee lifted. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left foot steps forward. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, big back bend. Exhale, release your arms. Good job. Catch your breath. And then slowly come to lay down on your back. We will finish in Shavasana. Extend your arms and legs on the mat in comfortable position. Palms facing up. Close your eyes. Let go of your breath, just breathe naturally. Relax the muscles on your face. Relax your shoulders, arms and hands. Your legs and feet are relaxed. Relax your full body here, and I will let you know when it's time to come up. Slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Bring your legs together, extend your arms above your head, interlacing the fingers. Take one last big full body stretch here. And then slowly roll to your favorite side. Press through your hands to come up to seated. I hope you enjoyed today's practice. See you tomorrow.